Okay, this is the first startup of the ALH3228-S Simpson pressure washer. I've already primed the water out of the line, added the oil, took off the little rubber vent cap from the cat pump, filled it with gas, set the throttle to 1/3, turn the choke full on, turn the fuel lever on, put in a white tip, purge the air again, and I also turned over the motor just by hand, slowly pulling the start cord just a few times to dip the crank in oil and roll everything through. So, as far as I know, it should be ready to go. I'm kind of curious how quickly it pops off, brand new. It's got fresh ethanol-free gas in it, Rec 90, and we'll see how it goes. One, two, weak pull, but three. It's stiff, that's why. Definitely building up some compression. It's 5. Thing gets pretty stiff when you hit that water resistance. Definitely got to release the pressure. Only 1 or 2 pulls before that thing's built up enough pressure. You got to relieve it. Kind of wearing me out. That's 7 pulls. Let's make sure everything's right. Ignition's on. Choke set all the way. Fuel line open. Set to about 1/3 throttle. Yeah, everything's right. Man, pretty much after every pull, you got to release that pressure, or the second pull doesn't do much. Yeah, that second pull is 5 times harder than the first one. Okay, why aren't you starting? What am I forgetting? Got fuel. Ignition switch is on. Everything should be good. Let me try just a little bit more throttle. Yeah, it should be fine. Oh, rolled away on me. Guess you can't stand on the tire. Okay, what's the deal here? It's not even trying to pop off. Trust me, boys, I'm hitting it with my purse. Thing's wearing me out. What am I forgetting? Seems like there's two oil things. I didn't even see this the other day. There's an oil cap on each side. I saw the drain plug and I filled it from the drain plug. This one appears to be maybe a fill plug. Didn't realize there was a fill plug. Either way, I filled it to the bottom of the drain plug, which is what they said to do. Maybe more throttle or less choke. Let's try more throttle. Let's see what that does. Come on, flies. That almost sounded like it popped off a little bit. You know what, Florida, let's try no choke. See what that does. Uh-huh. Well, apparently it didn't want any choke, or very little choke. Or maybe I should have only had the choke on for 2 or 3 pulls before I turned it off. But that was a lot of pulling, and now I'm wore out. So, anyway, that's the first startup. I will say this, sounds like it runs like a kitten. I don't see a lot of shaking, really. And maybe a little. Oh, I should work the pump. Bye.